CRM solutions are a key tool used by many companies to track, plan, and forecast sales pipeline opportunities. With Workday Adaptive Planning, customers are importing opportunities into planning tenants and leveraging the power of the planning engine to model and forecast sales. Business and professional services companies are no different. Here we see a dashboard displaying open and closed opportunity information. This information is sourced from opportunities shown in this planning sheet. The flexibility of Workday Adaptive Planning allows professional services companies to plan service engagements as well as track actual results. Here you can see in this planning template example, we're planning by customer, location, product, risk, and stage dimensions. Other dimensions such as account, project, and region can also be used to forecast and report by those elements. The ability to visualize and drill down to detail from dashboards is an advantage our customers are realizing in the pipeline forecasting and reporting process. Here I'm drilling down on this key performance indicator, and I can get right to the actual opportunities that we've imported into the model for reporting purposes. This demonstration showed how sales pipeline data from CRM applications can support planning and forecasting activities for business and professional services companies.